I still remember that morning. It was quiet, too quiet. The sun was shining, but my heart felt heavy. Something didn't feel right. My father was not just my father. He was my best friend, my guide, my hero. Every morning, he used to wake up early, make tea, and call my name with a smile. "Wake up, my child. A new day is waiting for you." But that day, I didn't hear his voice. I walked slowly to his room and gently knocked on the door. "Dad, are you awake?" There was no answer. I opened the door and saw him lying on the bed, so still, so silent. At first, I thought he was sleeping. "Dad?" I called again. Still no answer. My hands started to shake. My heart started to beat faster. I went closer and touched his hand. It was cold. At that moment, my world stopped. I couldn't understand what was happening. I called my mother, and she came running. Her face changed in a second, from calm to fear. She held his hand and cried out loud, "No, this can't be true." That was the moment we realized. He was gone. Forever. The house that was once full of laughter became silent. The man who always made us feel safe was no longer there. People started to come. Relatives, neighbors, friends. Everyone was talking, but I couldn't hear anything. I was just sitting there, looking at him, hoping he would wake up. I remembered the little things. How he held my hand when I was afraid. How he taught me to ride a bicycle. How he said, "Never give up, no matter how hard life is." His voice kept echoing in my mind. Days passed, but the pain didn't go away. At night, I couldn't sleep. I kept thinking, why did this happen? Why did he leave us so soon? One day, I sat alone in his room. I looked at his chair, his books, his glasses. Everything was there, but he was not. Tears slowly rolled down my face. I whispered, "Dad, I miss you." Life became different after that. There was no one to guide me like before. No one to say, "You can do it." I felt lost. But then, I remembered something. Something he always told me. Be strong. Even when life is hard, stand up and move forward. That day, I made a promise. A promise to my father. I will not give up. I will make you proud. Slowly, I started to change. I became stronger. Not because I wanted to, but because I had to. For my family, and for him. Even today, I miss him every single day. Sometimes, I still hear his voice in my heart. Sometimes, I still feel his presence beside me. He may not be here physically, but his love, his words, his lessons, they are still with me. I learned something very important from this loss. Life is short. We should love our parents, respect them, and spend time with them while we still can. If your father is still with you, hug him today. Tell him, "I love you," because one day, you may not get that chance again.